Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove a background from an image in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. Make sure that our image is on the second layer. Then navigate to Fusion and on Windows hold Ctrl plus space or on Mac Shift plus space. Type Magic Mask and then Add. You can notice that our cursor now turned to eyedropper. With the eyedropper, you just need to select our subject, a rough sketch, and let the DaVinci do the rest. Of course, this is just to show you how the magic mask works, but if you want to be precise, you can tweak all the settings here, you can make it better, or the settings here. So now with this example, let's go to the Edit tab and put image under our final result. Let's try a different one and one more. And this is how easy it is to remove the background. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.